Yeah, let's talk about what a capture page is in LiveGood or in just about any online business. And we'll talk about probably the best way as of, let's see, today's February 3rd. Is it 3rd? Yep, it's 2/3 of 25. So here it is, the first week of February 2025. And probably the best way as of this week to get people interested in LiveGood is definitely to talk about the products. Okay. Sure, this is a money-making endeavor if you're an affiliate. Okay. But as of right now, we have all these new products that have just came out. All right. We have quite an arsenal now, which I can show you in just a few minutes, but we had a couple products come out just a few days ago. We have 9 more products coming out over the next 60 days. Okay. When you talk about these products, even ones that have been out for 1 to 2 years, some people are going to take notice. That's how this guy right here became a member and an affiliate of LiveGood, is because I was looking at super reds and super greens. Okay. And I love them. You can see on my fridge right there, you can see, let's see right there, there's super reds, super greens, amino acid punch. I think I got the organic, I call it the orgasmic coffee right there and stuff. And you can see I got a handful of other products. It looks like I even have a mustard bottle right there. Yeah, I put mustard in my super reds. I might have to try that and gross people out on one of my videos. But anyway, I think talking about the products is a really good idea. Okay, because if you start buying the products like I did, and you kind of think, well, God, if I become an affiliate for only $40, because that's all it is to be an affiliate, $40 one time, you're done. Guys, there's no levels. There's no, you got to buy this much product to earn money to rank up. We don't commission our product sales. If you want to buy them, buy them. And if you want them the cheapest way, become a member, because then you buy wholesale. But if you want to go to livegood.com, just like amazon.com and walmart.com, you can shop. You don't need to be a member or an affiliate to buy our products. But if you want to save money, you want to be a member. If you want to make money, member and affiliate. Okay? So let me just show you. When you go to this, I clicked the wrong button. Okay. When you click joincory.com, okay, I bought this domain name. I made this business card at Vistaprint, and all I do for free is have GoDaddy have this page pop up when you go to joincory.com. See that link right there? Cory J. Draper, that's my username. So let's say your name is Bob Smith. Okay, so if your name is Bob Smith, it might be livegoodtour.com/Bob Smith. Now, I don't want to really show that to anybody. People are like, yeah, whatever, that's too hard to memorize. So I've always been a fan of getting my own custom domain as short or easy as possible or fun as possible. And they're only like $11 at GoDaddy out the door. And GoDaddy is 24-hour live operator with a human. So that's why I go to GoDaddy. But you can go anywhere. I don't care where you go. But I make things real simple. And I want people to go and watch this video. All right? And then they can learn about the products and being an affiliate. They can earn money too. It's in 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Now, most people in 30 seconds know if they even want to buy the product or be an affiliate or not. And they just delete this email or this website and go on their way. But if you're interested and the product's good, and then when the video switches over to earning money, and if you're still watching, awesome. You'll put your name and email address in. You'll hit this little orange button, and you'll get an email from LiveGood where you can either get more information or you can join. Okay? That's what's pretty darn cool about this capture page. You can change the name here where it says Cory Draper. See where it says, what's that say? Cory Draper's website. You can put whatever you want right there. I just like to kind of brand myself. That's why I put Join Cory in my domain name. Then I put my name right here. And then when I do these videos, I just want you guys to know who I am. Okay? Because, people join people. And I think my success in LiveGood, I've had well over 400 people sign up, is they just get to know me through my video. They can go to my Facebook page and see I'm just a real person. I'm not this affiliate guy that talks money all day and then hides. I got other stuff I do. You can see my life and my hobbies and my interests and all my wacky behavior and what I buy with extra money, from Hot Wheels to Legos. But the more normal I am and just to be honest, the more I screw off and have a good time, the more money I make. So that's kind of nice to know. I don't have to get a haircut and a business suit and be in a doctor's office with walls that are boring with white paint. Okay? Be yourself. That's the best way to promote Live Good. But there's no doubt about it. Keep it simple. And I really recommend that you get your own domain name and have it forward to this capture page, which you're going to get if you got $50. Okay? $40 one-time fee to be an affiliate. That's for life. And then it's $9.95 a month, $10 a month. And if you have $100, you can get 12 months for the price of 10. I don't get any more or less. You guys just join whatever you want, okay? But anyway, you get this capture page. Now, let's just go ahead and have you go to LiveGood's website, because I want you to go to the products and I want you to really look into them and see the ingredients and check out the wholesale and the retail pricing, okay? Look at all those products we have now. We have 9 more. Here's the newest. Here's the latest. Okay? This CBN, these gummies, they help you if you have insomnia or sleeping problems. Chew on those little babies. Feel good and refreshed, okay? These are new too, the VitaGlow and the Ageless Renewal. Okay, let's get your skin looking good. But guys, we have protein powder, essential oils, magnesium. Here's the products that brought me in, Super Reds and Super Greens. Then at the bottom, we have packages. Look at each one of these. Take your time. Just hit the white rectangle button, and it has all the information about every product or every package. We even have shirts and hats and things that you can buy if you'd like. But please go to the products tab, and then go right here. See where it says FAQ? Click that, because look at all those questions. Click each one, get them answered, okay? Then go to the very bottom of the website. It's going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Hit that link. This is what the page looks like. Scroll to the bottom and just watch this YouTube video with the pretty girl, because this comp plan video explains everything. If I try to explain the comp plan with these boring pages here, you'll zone out. And so will anyone that you try to explain it to too. Okay, just keep it fun. Just have people watch videos. I'm the same way, and so are you. You just want to watch little videos, and if you don't want to watch them anymore, you just delete them and watch something else, okay? If you want to join Live Good, great. If you don't, it's okay. You just don't want to waste time, okay? So here's the formula, the technique that I do every day to get over 400 people signed up, okay? There's the pay plan link. It's at the bottom. Affiliate pay plan or pay plan. There's the FAQ button right there, FAQ. Then go to the products tab. You can check out what we sell. Okay, that's all you need to know, guys. And then I just simply invite you. Please click this link. Watch that little video. And if you like what you see, great. If not, I just appreciate your time watching my videos like this, okay? I'm a big fan of Live Good. I ain't going anywhere. This company signs up well over, God, I think we hit around 50 to 60,000 people per month still. We've been doing this since December 13th of 2022. So we're a company that's 2 years and 2 months old. That's it. And we're still signing up 50,000 plus. That's worldwide. 200 countries, guys. It's an insane success story. Okay? But let's focus on these products. They are amazing. And if you start taking them, you're probably going to want to be an affiliate. It's only $40. And guys, if you can make $100 a month and you're spending $100 on product, that's what I did. I wanted to make $50 to $100 a month so I could spend that on products. So in my mind, Live Good was free. Then all of a sudden I signed up 100 people, 200, 300. I hit 400 people and I'm like, you got to be kidding me. Now I got way over $100 a month coming in. All right. So I want you to have the same success as I'm having. So copy what I do. I'm going to send you an email and explain everything what I do. Okay. All right, guys. Joincory.com. I appreciate your time. All right. And that's it. And if you need something, just get a hold of me. Cory@CoryDraper.com. That's my email. Okay. Peace and love. All right. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Have a good day, guys. See you soon. Bye.